Hi Petri, today we will continue our science lesson about force and motion. Now we are going to learn about balanced and unbalanced forces. First, we learn forces and movement. So anything moves if some force is applied to it, and nothing moves unless some force is applied to it in one direction. Every movement is always caused by unbalanced forces. Forces always happens in pairs. It never happens that there is a single force acting on a thing or a person in any given time. For example, this boy is pushing a rock. So there are two forces that happen. Applied force or muscular force and then the friction. Let's learn it with example. A person in standing position. So there are two forces acting on her. First, the floor is pushing the girl upward and the gravity is pulling the girl downward. So both the forces are equal. They are balanced. That is why the girl is in a standing position. And if two persons are pushing the same box from opposite sides, the box remains still. If the forces acting on both the sides is the same, that means balanced forces are acting on it. The object will move only if one person applies more force than the other. And movement is caused only if unbalanced forces are there. If there is a ball at rest, now balanced forces are acting on it. The ball will stay at rest until some external force acts on it to shake the balance of forces acting on it. If someone kicks the ball, then the force of kick is more than the force already acting on the ball, and this creates an imbalance in the force that moved the ball. Force of kick gradually decreases and the ball slows down. When the force of kick becomes equal to the other forces acting on the ball, again, balanced forces are acting on the ball and the ball stops. When one out of the various forces acting on an object is more than the other forces, only then the objects move. Now, unbalanced forces are unequal in size, always cause a movement, and can be in the same or opposite direction. Balanced forces are equal in size, cause no movement, act in opposite direction. Let's exercise. Okay, they are flying the seed of the dandelion. So, is it unbalanced or balanced forces? Good. This is an unbalanced forces. What about the clothesline blowing in the wind? Yes, this is unbalanced forces because the clothesline is moved. A boy sitting still in the classroom. Is it balanced or unbalanced? Yes, this is the balanced forces. A car stopped at red light. Is it balanced or unbalanced? Good. This is a balanced force because the car is not moving. The children are bouncing on a trampoline. Yes, this is unbalanced force because the children are moving. Now, the backpacks hanging on hooks. Yes, this is a balanced force because the backpack standing still. Moving car that slows down prior to stopping. Yes, this is an unbalanced force because the car is still moving and then stop. Okay, I think that's it, and let's do the worksheet. Bye bye.